Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to check the Tamara limit. First, open the Tamara app or website and log into your account using your registered details. Once you're signed in, look for the side menu and open it. Now select Settlement Dashboard from the menu options. Here, you'll see your account overview and payment information. Next, look on the right-hand side of the screen and click View My Fees and Limits. After that, a new page will open showing your available payment options. Here, you can view the minimum and maximum spending limits assigned to your account for each payment option. You can also review any applicable fees and other account details related to your purchases. If you're wondering whether you can increase your Tamara limit, Tamara now uses a dynamic and personalized system instead of fixed limits. This means your spending limit is automatically determined based on factors such as your creditworthiness, account activity, and transaction history. As you continue using Tamara responsibly and build a positive payment history, your available limit may change over time. In some cases, limits may be restricted due to Tamara's internal policies or risk management requirements. Tamara regularly reviews customer accounts and updates limits when eligible, so there is no separate request process to manually increase your limit. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.